Alright guys, so I don't know if this video is a little bit too late because I know Tesla tweeted this out a while ago, but they've seemed to be tweeting it out again and again and again, and Elon Musk is starting to retweet it and like it again. So I thought I'd just talk about it a little bit more here, and that has to do with the bioweapon defense mode. And that sounds really crazy. I know, when I first heard of it, I thought it was like some kind of crazy weapon or something, but this is where they just install a HEPA filter inside, and it means that 99.97 specifically percent of pollen, bacteria, viruses, and stuff are going to be trapped by that HEPA filter, and you're going to be breathing in very clean air. Now, unfortunately, this was only available to the X and the S, and somewhere along the way last year, the Y also got it. Now, fortunately, I heard somewhere on the Reddit community that somebody has put in a HEPA filter in place, so it seems to work. I'm not sure of how good it really is and how much it blocks the pollen and the viruses and stuff out. There's really nothing you can use to track that, but they seem to have fitted in. But Tesla officially does not support the Model 3 HEPA filter yet. I'm not sure what the reason to that is. I know that the Y and the 3 is just a difference in a few inches, so not sure what could be causing it. They could really just cut down the HEPA filter and make it a little bit smaller, although still trapping the same amount, but they chose not to. Now, I don't know if this has to do with cost or not, but I think that cost shouldn't be a factor because they raised their price so much more right now. Now, originally I thought that the reason was limited to space, but like I said, the Y does not have that much more space than the 3. Underneath the trunk or the frunk, there's still some space back there. So anyways, if you guys haven't seen the video yet, they compared it right next to a BMW, and I don't know why they're trying so hard to just hide the fact that it's a BMW. I mean, every single control knob and everything is there except the logos. So anyways, they're just sucking in a bunch of red dust. The Model Y captured pretty much all of it, leaving in just purely fresh air. And then you have the BMW, which really just sucks in everything into the car and is completely red in there. So quite a dramatic difference there, and I think it would really help in cases where there is fire and maybe bioweapon out there when that day does come. But the thing for me is that I love my Model 3. I don't like my Model Y because of the handling. That is the truth. For all of you guys out there that say that the Model Y looks better, drives better, suspension is better, all that, I say that's crap. My ass hurts every single time the Model Y drives across a bump. It is not agile, it doesn't turn well into corners, and it's just overall not that good of an experience just when I'm driving by myself. Now, for those of you guys that have family and kids, I'm sure there's a reason why the Model Y is better. The space alone is just much better than the 3. But if you're just like me, the 3 just like all around is perfect. And the last thing that I would want in there really is just a HEPA filter at this point. So honestly, it really sucks that we're being put aside even though they are highlighting the HEPA filter and the bioweapon defense mode so much online. Elon says that it is literally the best filter out there and it's just crucial in the safetiness of cars, and that's the #1 goal of Tesla in the end. But they're leaving the Model 3s out there, essentially the poor people like me. So anyways guys, what do you think about this? I think that Tesla is going to be eventually putting it in there, and they're just going to jack up the price even more because I don't think there is a reason why they shouldn't be able to add a filter in there just because of space. Anyways guys, this should wrap it up for this little rant here, but if you guys have anything else, please let me know, and you know what to do. This is John. Peace out.